In this video, we'll make this plush doll. Click on the form icon. Make the origin planes visible. Click on the horizontal plane and then click twice to create a quad ball. We need more edges than the default number of edges. First, I'm going to make a symmetry line. Now I'll click subdivide, and it defaulted to that number of new edges on both sides of the symmetry line. Highlight that square, hold the Alt key down now, and right-click on Edit Form, and then move the arrows up. Then you can drag the squares to alter the shape, but I'm going to undo and just make a simple shape like this. Clear the symmetry now. Now let's go to the sides. First set up symmetry again. And then subdivide. Subdividing doesn't work on this odd shape, so we'll have to do something else. Let's insert an edge instead. And let's insert an edge again. I need more space between that edge and the one below it. So under Modify, choose Slide Edge and move that top edge up a bit. I'm also inserting an edge here. Right-click, hold the Alt key down now, and edit Form to make two more arms. I'm going to undo because I don't like how they turned out. So let's try this again. I'm just dragging that square. And they're a little narrow, so I'll right-click, edit Form, and drag that square down a bit. Clear the symmetry, and make these bottom faces symmetrical. Then subdivide. Right-click, edit Form. Remember to hold the Alt key down. And again, thicken if desired. We can finesse this shape from here. For instance, we can select edges and delete them to see what that gives us. If it's too flat, just pull it out. If the back is too wide, then edit form and push it in. And delete any edges as needed. I'll clear all symmetry. And now I'll sketch the eyes and mouth. I clicked on the vertical origin plane and now I'm just sketching over the model. Use constraints to make the eyes the same size and aligned with each other if that's what you want. Now I'm using a 3-point arc and a line to make the mouth. Well, they're a little weird looking, but I'm going to go with that. Finish form. And in the surface workspace, under Create, Patch, I can close all those bodies off. I need to do it one by one. Let's add some red paint to the eyes and mouth. Click on Modify and Appearance. Notice that the faces are gold. That means they're reversed, and I'll show you the significance of that. Click on Faces first of all, and then drag the color on. It's not changing, and that's because it's painted on the back side. So go to Modify, Reverse Normal. And there's the color. Interestingly, the mouth doesn't work the same as the eyes, probably because of its more complex nature. But if I click on Bodies and Components, the paint takes. And there you have it.